Meaning of externalization.
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 Externalization. Externalization refers to the process of expressing or representing something outside of oneself. The result is that an internal thought or feeling is transformed into an external form, such as written or spoken words, artistic expression, or physical action. This can have both positive and negative effects on individuals and society. On one hand, externalization can lead to greater self-expression, creativity, and communication. On the other hand, it can also lead to a loss of privacy, detachment from oneself and others, and an overemphasis on external appearances rather than internal qualities.